Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Janus community meeting, episode 17. As I see on the fancy, cool graphics by Tor. Thank you for that, Tor. It's very nice. Welcome, everybody. If you have points to discuss today, we have this agenda doc that you can add your points, your topics to. And as I can see here, oh, great. Thank you, Tor. We have 2 demos scheduled for today and 1 demo scheduled for the next time. So the Kiali demo will happen next time. And today, Debsmita submitted 2 demos for our views, pleasure, excitement. Debsmita, over to you. What do you have for us?
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Thank you.
All right. Hope you all can see my screen now.
Not yet. There we go.
Okay. All right. So in this demo, I'll showcase all the new features that we added to Topology Plugin and the Tekton Plugin. And I'll start with the Topology Plugin. Now, you'll be able to visualize runtime icons on your topology workloads. And in the display options dropdown newly added here, you can choose to see the pod count or the runtime icon. I have already configured Red Hat OpenShift Dev Spaces installed the Red Hat OpenShift Dev Spaces operator on my OpenShift cluster and configured it. And now I can see the J icon here, which on being clicked will launch the Red Hat OpenShift Dev Spaces for you. The Topology plugin README has been updated with the steps how you can configure the J to be able to visualize it on Backstage. And if I click on the Topology workload node and go to resources, now you will be able to download the pod logs from here in the view logs button. Now there are no logs, which is why there's no download button here. Once you have the pod logs, you will be able to download it now. Then moving on to the Tekton plugin. You'll now be able to visualize the pipeline run logs by clicking on the task status. It'll launch a modal for you. Oh my God. Okay. Let me refresh it. Yes. All right. It'll launch a modal for you, and you'll be able to visualize the task runs by clicking on the tasks. You'll have the same experience when you go to CI/CD tab and click on a task bubble. Yeah, that's all about the demo. Thank you. Any questions?
I love it. Those details for the Tekton, that views, these fancy effects. These views, yeah, this looks very similar to what Backstage has in the scaffolder, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same UI used for it.
Yes.
I love it.
Thank you.
And maybe back to the topology. How do you source the runtime icons? Is it something that we have hard-coded in the plugin, or is it something that can be dynamically influenced by the user or whatever?
So you will have to add the runtime icon name to the labels in the workloads. Like, for example, if I take you to my OpenShift cluster, I don't know if I can. let me see, try this out. Oh, I can do this, yes. So here, app.openshift.io runtime equals .NET. So these are the names to provide so that the logic will read the names and then the runtime icon will be shown.
So we have a fixed set of icons that we understand.
Yes.
Correct. Okay.
Right.
Nice.
Any more questions?
Stuff is awesome. I have a question. Do you think that we'll be able to get this into the Showcase app at some point as well?
Yes, yes. I'll raise a PR to update the Showcase app.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. This looks great.
Thank you, Serena. All right, I'll stop sharing now.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Thank you, Devsmina. That was the 2 demos for today. Do we have any other topics to discuss? Anything you want to bring to the community attention? Raise a concern, open a discussion, bump an issue or a PR, whatever you want to bring up, bring it on.
Well, I just created an issue yesterday because there is another breaking change on the new version of Backstage that impacts the KeyCloak. Yeah, the KeyCloak plugin. I think it's an easy one to solve. I'm going to try to solve that myself and create a PR to solve the problem. It's because they introduced a validation on the config schema. So now they only accept the config interface, nothing else. And we have a KeyCloak or interface. So I think I'm going to move that to another place and see if pass the validation.
Okay, so the schema can have only a single interface.
Yes, by now, yes. I created a PR and I put all the details there, like where the breaking change and why it's impact us now. So yeah, I'm going to try to solve that.
That may affect more than a KeyCloak plugin on our side.
In my case, I am using the Topology plugin, KeyCloak, many others, but just the KeyCloak is being impacted by now.
Yeah, I think the OCM is impacted as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one I haven't installed that one yet.
Yeah. And AAP. Okay, I'll create issues for that as well. Why is this change? Like,
they introduced now a validation on the config schema. I don't know the why. I was checking the PR that introduced that change, but it's just to be more restricted with the validation. I don't know the why.
if they have a reserved config keyword for an exported interface, why do they care about other interfaces in that file? Very interesting.
I just read about that yesterday. So yeah.
Okay. Minor change. It seems like this is probably an no. Okay. There's probably some reasons behind the scenes for it. Okay. Well, definitely thank you for raising awareness of this. We will need to solve it because that will block us from upgrading multiple plugins to 1.17. Which is a strange thing to break in a minor version, but okay. Do we have any other topics, any other concerns? In that case, let's say that we are the most efficient meeting, at least for me, at least of today. And let's give ourselves back 45 minutes and enjoy the rest of your days, guys and girls, and have
Thank
fun.
you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Right?
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.